Hello everyone, welcome back. The Original Streeters held their car show on July 31st this year. We pushed it back a month just because we weren't sure what was going to happen with COVID. And we ended up having a really good day. Good turnout, great weather. We had about 130 cars come out. I want to thank everyone for coming out this year who brought a car out, the spectators, everyone who bought 50/50 tickets, t-shirts, made donations. All that is appreciated, and the donation to the Shriners Hospital will be pretty substantial this year. This video will mostly be all photographs. It was a pretty busy Saturday for me. I didn't really have time to break out the video camera. I mainly just took photos as I was passing out the door prizes to the participants that won something. So with that being said, I hope you get to see your car in this video. And again, we appreciate you guys coming out, bringing your cars out, having a great day. And thanks for watching the video. Take care.